Hello everybody. It's been a while since I have done just like a weekend vlog, and it's the weekend, so here I am. I just finished a workout class at Beyond Fitness. I did like a hit and burn this morning with Ollie, the new trainer there, so that was great. It was really tough. And then I just went grocery shopping, came home, and I made a coffee. It's already done, but I just wanted to share what I've been doing because I love it. I've been taking this vanilla pea milk by Ripple. So I put this in my mug with some cacao powder, just like half a teaspoon maybe, and then like a half a teaspoon of maca powder. This is black maca powder, but I don't know. A little bit of honey. I've been using actually the Bloom honey. It says avocado, so I don't know if the bees get the pollen from avocado plants, but it's very like mellow and full-bodied. I don't know if that's how you describe honey, but it's really, really rich and dark and thick. So yeah, so I put all of that in a mug and I put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds and then mix it up so that the honey is all spread out, and then I put some espresso and a little bit of hot water in, and it's so good. It is so good. It tastes like a Starbucks latte, but it's better for you. The cacao is better than using like a sweetener or a syrup. Maca powder is really good for hormones and giving you energy, and it tastes like honeycomb kind of. So good. Oh, my arm's so tired because I just left the gym, but yeah, so today I think I'm just gonna clean up the house a little bit right now. It's only like 10:30, so yeah, clean up a little bit. I might wrap some Christmas presents, and then I'm doing makeup for a friend later today, so I have to just make sure my kit's all ready and my brushes are nice and clean. Yeah. Okay, so I cleaned the bathroom, did some dishes, cleaned the kitchen, did some laundry, put away the laundry, made the bed, cleaned my brushes. Looking pretty good. It's 1 o'clock now. I have 4 hours until my client. It's kind of moody out. It's like gray. I don't know. I don't think it's like gonna rain though. I don't know. I might go into town and do a little bit of Christmas shopping. I just don't want to get caught in the rain and have to come home and get my makeup kit. Alright, so I decided that I am gonna go into town for a little bit and just do some shopping and get out of the house. But first I'm just having a little bit of lunch. I'm feeling kind of snacky today, you know, those days. So I'm having some cucumber with this hummus. I really like this brand, Lantana. And then I'm having a lavender melon kombucha. This is my favorite flavor from Kavita. And then for like my dessert kind of part, I'm gonna have an apple with this creamy peanut butter on it, and that's my lunch. So it is Sunday. We got up, had some coffee. I had my same latte thing with the cacao and maca, so yummy. And it's been like off and on rain all morning, and now it is like gorgeous. It's kind of cool still though, so we're going to go on a little beach walk and maybe go to somewhere to, I don't know, get a drink and watch a football game. Yeah, I'm wearing my big geometric blanket scarf from iCrush, which I love. It's so soft. It's 20% cashmere, and I just want this on top of the t-shirt just in case it's windy at the beach. You never know this time of year, so yeah. So nice for mid-December or mid-November on the beach. It's really warm out actually. I brought this scarf, but definitely don't need it. Hi friends. This brave guy is putting his feet in the water. How is it?
Alright. It's cold.
Cold?
That's very nice.
So the beach walk has turned into a little bit of a trail walk. Once you leave Horseshoe Bay, there's lots of trails, sand like dune trails and trails to each little cove.
I've checked fucking 3 of them already.
Well, that's pretty good. But yeah, it's nice if you go like running or anything. I'll show you, like, it's kind of elevated too, so you can see the beaches from up here. So nice. We're at Boundary for a little, I don't know, not a lunch, just afternoon drinks and snacks. It's like at the golf course at the Southampton Bridge. We always end up getting this little, like, it's not a patio, but it's like an outdoor area with TV with football on and
sun and all the fucking birds.
Yeah, the sun and all the birds. And the golf carts. But yeah, we just had a pint of beer, some sweet potato fries, and yeah, just enjoying the sunshine. It's literally so nice out today, and you can see the ocean from here. So nice. Just gonna pay the bill and go for a little ride and go home soon. Relaxing Sunday. So I haven't been feeling that good today. I'm kind of like stuffed up. So one of the tricks, like a drink I make when I don't feel good, is hot water with honey, lemon, some minced ginger, and like a half a teaspoon of camu powder, which is really, really high in vitamin C. And it's kind of like a natural get better drink. And it tastes pretty good too. It's just like tart. It tastes like a lemon sip.
Away from work, or the girls can't deal with you eating so often, and you start to feel the tension.
So super random, but I have another coffee drink. A pumpkin spice latte.
It's when you add espresso with hot water and then a little bit of half and half.
No, it's not. So I put my vanilla pea milk with, like, I don't know, 2.5 tablespoons of pumpkin pie mix. This is just the one that I used. And then I added a little bit extra of this cinnamon and nutmeg mixture in my NutriBullet. And then I put it in the microwave and added some espresso, and it's really yummy and good. So this vlog is so random. I just got home for my lunch break and I'm just like making a salad, but I just wanted to, you know, throw some more food in this vlog. But basically what I'm having is a salad for lunch. So I just took some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and then salt, pepper, some dried basil and oregano. And I whipped it up in this bowl a little bit with my fork just to combine it. And then I put a bunch of spinach in, like 2.5 handfuls, and then I massaged the spinach with the dressing. So that's a really good tip to help with digestion, and so you don't have like an upset tummy or anything after a big salad. It's really good if you're having spinach and like kale especially, just because they're kind of tough and it's hard for your body to break them down. Yeah, and then I added some tomatoes, red onions, cucumber, and then I also like to add some, like for some texture, hemp seeds or hemp hearts. This is ground flaxseed. Put those 2 ingredients in, specifically this flaxseed, to get some of that fiber in. And then I just have some salmon in the oven, and I'm gonna put that on top, and I might add a little bit of feta cheese, just because I've been a good girl and I deserve a little feta cheese on my lunch. Yeah, just super easy lunchtime salad. It is Sunday, the Jingle Bell run. I am a little Cindy Lou Who for today. You don't have to dress up, but a lot of people dress up, and it's a lot of fun. The costumes are crazy sometimes. Last year there's 2 people dressed up as cartons of eggnog, but it's Bermuda eggnog from Dunkley's. It's a very specific box, but I'm just running in. I'm doing it alone this year. My girlfriends couldn't make it with me, so yeah, just gonna meet up with some other girls from the gym and run this thing in my pajamas.
Oh yeah, Scotty, good finish. Woo! Finish strong, Sammy.
Good job.
We are at Brew. It's a new place on Front Street for a little bit of breakfast, but it's really cool. If you're in Bermuda, we got, Justin got a nitro coffee.
I got a McGriddle.
And a breakfast biscuit. I got like a Mexican egg bowl and some shots. But they have all these wines on tap, and it just looks awesome in here. Yeah.
Dirty ginger.
How is it?
Really good.
Good. Yummy. Mine matches my coat. Just tastes like ginger. Like a Starbucks, because there's not very many places in Bermuda that you can go and get food like takeout food, like you don't sit and get served. But yeah, there's like a whole, there's a whole upstairs here where there's just like people hanging out and comfy chairs and stuff. It's nice, but then you can also stay like and sit at the bar, like happy hour or whatever. They have all these wines on top. Alright, Sunday's done. Movie night now. We have this huge bowl of homemade popcorn. I should not shove it in my mouth. My face is all oiled up in Aura Beauty Glow Serum. We're about to watch The Little Hours, which is supposed to be
The M&M's in.
one of the most underrated movies of 2017. I'll let you know how it is. Have a nice night.